Rules of debit and credit. Double entry system मा most important part भनेकै डेबिट र क्रेडिट हो र यो डेबिट र क्रेडिट जर्नल इन्ट्री यसलाई नेक्स्ट वर्ड्समा पनि के भनिन्छ जर्नल इन्ट्री भनिन्छ जर्नल इन्ट्री most important part of accounting accountancy हामीलाई यति महत्त्वपूर्ण छ कि फर्स्ट स्टेप अफ अकाउन्टिङ प्रोसेस अकाउन्टिङ को फर्स्ट स्टेपै भनेको जर्नल इन्ट्री विदाउट जर्नल इन्ट्री cannot make subsidiary books, cannot make any ledger, cannot make cash book, bank reconciliation statement, rectification of error, final account trading, PL, balance sheet, everything. हामी केही पनि बनाउन सक्दैनौं विदाउट जर्नल इन्ट्री त्यसकारण जर्नल इन्ट्री इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेन्ट पार्ट अफ अकाउन्टेन्सी अब यसलाई हामी कसरी गर्ने भन्ने कुरामा हामी नेक्स्टबाट जान्छौं नेक्स्ट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेन्ट भनेको अल ड्युल आर डेबिट साइड डी मीन्स डेब्टर्स डिस्काउन्ट E means expenses, A means assets, and L means loss. Debtor, discount, expenses, assets, and loss are debit side. And other number 2, all goals are credit side. G means gain, I means income, R means revenue, L means liabilities, and S means shareholders. This 5 item is credit side. Most important are debit and credit. Next most important part journal entry rules of debit and credit हाम्रो सबैभन्दा महत्त्वपूर्ण रुल्स भनेकै के हो भने डेबिट र क्रेडिट हो अब यो हामी कसरी गर्छौं गिवन नम्बर 1 पर्सनल अकाउन्ट accounting involving persons either nature of artificial personal account nature expected human being firms companies institution debtors creditors capital account are related of personal account say that all receiver the debit giver the credit receiver the debit giver the credit say personal account next number 2 real account related of assets means fixed assets current assets fictitious assets and everything intangible all assets are related of real account say that what's come in debit what goes out credit next nominal account related expenses and loss income or gain are related of nominal account say that all expenses and losses are debit side all income and gain are credit side most important rules of debit and credit debit and credit को सबैभन्दा most important rules भनेकै यही हो personal account receiver the debit giver the credit real account said that what's come in debit what goes out credit only related of assets and nominal account all expenses and losses are debit side all income and gain are credit side most important part next accounting equation base हामी accounting equation लाई base मानेर पनि journal entry गर्न सक्छौं increase assets decrease liabilities debit side decrease assets increase liabilities credit side debit all expenses and increase in expenses related of debit side decrease in income related of debit side all income and increase income all income are related of credit side and decrease in income related of credit side अब यसमा अर्को सजिलोको लागि पनि छ हामीलाई सजिलोमा एसेट साइड एसेट्समा increase or debit for increase यदि हामीलाई एसेट्स increase भएको छ भने डेबिट साइड decrease or credit यदि एसेट्स decrease भएको छ भने क्रेडिट साइड similarly liabilities decrease for debit for decrease यदि decrease भएको छ भने डेबिट साइड र इन्क्रिज फर क्रेडिट फर इन्क्रिज भएको छ भने क्रेडिट साइड। त्यस्तै एक्सपेन्सेस एन्ड इन्कम, expenses increase debit for increase expenses debit side, decrease expenses credit side. Same opposite of income, decrease decrease income debit side, increase income credit side. It's the most important rules of second rules. Next I'm going to, first of all, start a business, commencement a business, invested a business, begin a business with cash rupees 1 lakh. What's coming? Start a business, increase the assets corresponding increase the capital. Increase the assets corresponding increase the capital, cash account to capital account. Next, number 2, purchase goods on cash. All assets are debit side. Number 1, assets are the separate debit and capital is credit side. Purchase goods on cash rupees 50,000. Purchase goods, what's coming? Goods coming. So goods कहिले पनि लेख्न हुँदैन, त्यसकारण goods को अगाडि purchase भएकोले purchase account. अनि what goes out? Cash goes out. Cash is credit side. अब purchase account to cash account. Number B, purchase goods on credit rupees 25,000. Purchase goods on credit. Purchase accounts, what's coming? Goods coming. Purchase account debit. And what goes out? Cash not goes out. So credit means creditor is credit side. Next, purchase goods on credit 25,000 and payment rupees 15,000, only partial payment. Purchase goods 25,000 and what goes out? Cash goes out 15,000 and creditor account 10,000, equal to debit and credit must be equal. Number 3, हामीले पार्शियल पेमेन्ट गर्यौं भने हामीलाई कुनै पर्सनको नेम दिएको छैन, कम्पनीको नेम दिएको छैन भने हामी क्रेडिटर लेख्छौं. So number 3, sales. Sold goods on cash rupees 60,000. What's coming? Cash coming. What goes out? Goods goes out. Goods भयो भने sales लेखिन्छ, cash account to sales account. Sold goods on credit rupees 40,000. What's coming? Credit. Cash not coming. What's coming? Debtors coming. कुनै दिन cash आउँछ, debtors भयो, debtors is debit, sales is credit. Next, number 3. Good costing rupees 10,000, sold to Ram for rupees 12,000. Sold to Ram, receiver the Ram, debit, Ram account debit, and costing rupees 10,000, 2,000 rupees profit and loss. हामीले 10,000 मा कस्टिङ गरेको थियो, हामीले बेच्यौं 12,000 मा. 12,000 मा बेच्दा हामीलाई 2,000 rupees profit भएको छ. Next, expenses number 4. All expenses means wages, rent, salary, commission, insurance, discount, bad debts, etc. Expenses, serviceable expenses. All expenses are debit side, just like rent paid, rent account, what goes out? Cash goes out, rent account to cash account. Next, number 5, income, discount received, interest received, commission received, rent received, all receive are income. All income are credit side, related of debit side. Commission received rupees 5,000. What's coming? Cash coming. Cash is debit side. And commission received, income. All income are credit side, nominal account. Next, return. Goods costing has been returned to suppliers. Suppliers means creditor. Customers like debit भनिन्छ, suppliers like creditors भनिन्छ. हामीले suppliers like cash payment गर्यौं, receiver the supplier receiver भयो. So receiver creditor अथवा account payable is debit side, purchase return is credit side. Goods has been returned from a customers means debtors. अब from कहाँबाट हामीले debtors बाट ल्यायौं, from debtors sales return account to debtors account, return condition. Next, adjustment in entry. Adjustment means given related of final account सँग related, prepaid, advance, expired, depreciation. less amount छ भने less amount लाई debit गरिन्छ, related लाई credit गरिन्छ. All less amount are debit side, related are credit side. Next, all add amount. Add means adjustment entry, account outstanding, due, accrued, appreciation, etc. Add amount, and all related are debit side, related debit, all add amount credit side. Our outstanding rent भनेर क्वेसन सोध्यो भने रेन्ट अकाउन्ट डेबिट, आउटस्ट्यान्डिङ क्रेडिट. Interest on loan, interest on debenture, interest on capital. Interest on loan is expenses, all expenses are debit side. So interest on loan, debit side, cash account, credit side. Next, interest on investment, interest on doing, interest on investment is income, cash coming, cash debit, interest on investment, credit. Next, bad debts. Bad debts or bad debts return up. Bad debts is debit side, bad debts is expenses, all expenses are debit side, bad debts is expenses, nominal account. Account receivable. Account receivable, bad debts related of debtors, bad debts related of account receivable, bad debts related of book debts. So bad debts account to account receivable. Number 10, insurance company. Insurance company number A, good lost by fire and insurance company were fully claimed. Insurance company account debit, all insurance company is debit side. हामीले इन्स्योरेन्स कम्पनीको कन्डिसनमा इन्स्योरेन्स कम्पनी इज डेबिट साइड, इन्स्योरेन्स जहिले पनि डेबिट हुन्छ. फुल्ली क्लेम सबै दिने भने पर्चेज अकाउन्ट. सो गुड लस्ट बाई फायर एन्ड इन्स्योरेन्स कम्पनी वे नट क्लेम, यदि क्लेम गरेन भने गुड लस्ट बाई फायर इन्स्योरेन्स कम्पनीले पैसा दिएन भने इन्स्योरेन्स कम्पनी लेखिँदैन. सो गुड लस्ट बाई फायर अकाउन्ट टु पर्चेज अकाउन्ट. Next, number C, good lost by fire and insurance company were partial payment. Good lost by fire is expenses, all expenses are debit side. Insurance company is debit side. Purchase stock account is credit side. Free sample number 11, free sample, donation, charity, advertising is expenses. All expenses are debit side. तर यिनीहरू चाहिँ पर्चेजसँग रिलेटेड हुन्छन्. फ्री स्याम्पल, डोनेसन, च्यारिटी, एडभर्टाइजिङ यिनीहरू रिलेटेड अफ पर्चेज. पर्चेज इज credit side, otherwise purchase is debit side. Drawing, cash drawn by the owner for personal use, cash drawing account to cash and purchase. Cash drawn by owner for personal use, यदि cash भनेको छ भने cash account credit हुन्छ, र goods drawn by owner for personal use यदि goods withdraw गरेको छ भने purchase accounts हुन्छ. Number 14, banking transaction, deposit into bank or paid into bank, bank account to cash account, cash withdraw from bank for office use, cash account to bank account. Next, bills of exchange, most important. Bill of exchange, Hari sold goods to Ram. There are two persons, Hari and Ram. यो क्वेसनमा हरि र राम दुईटा ट्रान्जेक्सन छ र for rupees 5,000 and draw a bill for 3 months for Ram accepted the bill at maturity, the bill was honored. अब हरिले सोल्ड गरो रामलाई, हामीले हरि अकाउन्ट बनायौं भने हरिसँग रिलेटेड राम भनेर लेख्नुपर्छ. अब राम अकाउन्ट बनायौं भने हरिसँग रिलेटेड लेख्नुपर्छ. जसको अकाउन्ट बनाउँदैछौं त्यसैको जर्नल इन्ट्री गर्नु पर्दैन. जस्ट लाइक हरि सोल्ड गुड्स टु राम, यहाँ हामीले हरि अकाउन्ट बनाउँदैछौं. हरिले सेल्स गरेको छ रामलाई, रिसिभर द राम, सो राम अकाउन्ट टु सेल्स अकाउन्ट. र नेक्स्ट टाइम फेरि रामलाई क्रेडिट गर्नुपर्छ. उसले के गरेको छ भने बिललाई एक्सेप्टेड गरेको छ, उसले बिल रिसिभ गरेको छ. यसरी बिल रिसिभ गर्दा बिल रिसिभेबल अकाउन्ट टु राम अकाउन्ट. र नेक्स्ट टाइम उसले के गर्नुपर्छ, क्याश पेमेन्ट गर्नुपर्छ. यदि क्याश यो सेल्स उसले पर्चेज गरेपछि, त्यसकारण क्याश अकाउन्ट टु बिल रिसिभेबल. नेक्स्ट, जर्नल इन्ट्री टु राम. यही क्वेसनमा फेरि रामले गरेको छ भने रिलेटेड अफ हरि. अब हरि सोल्ड गुड्स टु राम, हरिले सोल्ड गरो, सेल्स गरो रामलाई, तर हरिले त त्यो पर्चेज गरेको, सो पर्चेज अकाउन्ट टु हरि अकाउन्ट. अब यहाँ राम छ भने हरिसँग रिलेटेड गर्नुपर्छ. यदि राम सेल्ससँग रिलेटेड भयो भने हरि पर्चेजसँग रिलेटेड छ, उसले पर्चेज गरेर सेल्स गरेको, त्यसकारण पर्चेज अकाउन्ट टु हरि अकाउन्ट. हरि अकाउन्ट टु अकाउन्ट पेबल, अब पैसा तिर्न तयार हुनु पर्यो, अनि अकाउन्ट पेबल टु क्याश अकाउन्ट. अब यहाँ हरिले सोल्ड गर्यो रामलाई। अब रामले पायो, रिसिभर राम भयो, सेल्स अकाउन्ट। अनि बिल रिसिभेबल हामीले बिल एक्सेप्टेड गरेपछि बिल रिसिभेबल टु राम अकाउन्ट, अनि क्यास अकाउन्ट टु बिल रिसिभेबल। सेम अपोजिट अफ राम अकाउन्ट, रामले पर्चेज गरेको थियो त्यसकारण यो क्रेडिट भयो, नेक्स्ट टाइम उसले पाउनुपर्छ। हरि अकाउन्ट टु पेबल अकाउन्ट टु क्यास अकाउन्ट, क्यास गोज आउट। यसरी हामी दुईजनाको ब्यालेन्स मिल्छ। यसलाई बिल अफ एक्सचेन्ज भनिन्छ। बिल अफ एक्सचेन्ज मिन्स क्रेडिट ट्रान्जेक्सन। थ्याङ्क यू। आजलाई हामी यतिमै इन्ड गर्छौँ र हामी नेक्स्ट टाइम सोलुसनहरू लिएर आउँछौँ।